Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. This video will talk about a final try which is being taken via social media to save the flagship aircraft carrier of Indian Navy from getting scrapped. Yes, the flagship aircraft carrier which I'm talking about here is the INS Virat. There were many attempts to convert the INS Virat into a hotel or a museum, but in last year July, the central government made it very clear that the ship had to be scrapped, and this decision was taken after consulting Indian Navy. Many defense lovers and many people in defense itself were not happy with this particular decision. The Sriram Group of Gujarat has purchased this particular ship for around rupees 38 crores, and this decommissioned aircraft carrier INS Virat will be towed from Mumbai to Alang in Gujarat today, which is September 2020. This is the place where it will be scrapped in a shipbreaking yard. A carrier that served the Indian Navy for 30 years before being decommissioned is not supposed to be treated this particular way. The point to note here is INS Virat is the second aircraft carrier after INS Vikrant, which was sent for scrapyard. This is an asset of Indian Navy and something which India should feel proud of and preserve the same. Converting such a ship which India received from Royal Navy into a scrap will not take much time, but the same cannot be restored again if we feel wrong about the decision later. INS Virat, which is getting so much support via social media, was the flagship aircraft carrier of Indian Navy before INS Vikramaditya was commissioned in 2013. Before joining Indian Navy, INS Virat was commissioned as Royal Navy's HMS Hermes in 1959, and later it was decommissioned in 1984. Post decommissioning from Royal Navy, INS Virat was sold to India and was commissioned into Indian Navy on 12th May 1987. Let's quickly see the general characteristics of INS Virat. The standard displacement of INS Virat is 23,900 tons and full load displacement is 28,700 tons. Length of INS Virat is of 226.5 meters and beam is of 48.78 meters. This massive ship is powered with two Parsons geared steam turbines which provide a speed of 28 knots. INS Virat were operated by 4 squadrons of the Naval Air Arm for Indian Navy, and the squadrons were INAS 300, INAS 552, INAS 321 and INAS 330. INS Virat used to operate the Bay Sea Harrier aircrafts HAL Chetak, HAL Dhruv and Westland Sea King helicopters while it was in service. Not only that, INS Virat also operated Kamau Ka-31 Helix B airborne early warning aircraft and Kamau Ka-28 Helix Hay helicopters as well. On 23 July 2016, Virat sailed for a last time from Mumbai to Kochi, where she was dry docked and prepared for decommissioning. Later, it was towed out of Kochi on 23 October, returning to Mumbai on 28 October, and Virat was formally decommissioned on 6th March 2017. So it is seriously a very bad decision by Indian government and Indian Navy to send such an asset which served our country for almost 30 years for scrap. Let's hope this ship gets all required support and voices from social media and ensures Indian Navy recalls the decision to scrap this ship and agree to convert that into a museum. So let us hope for the best and wait for more information and update on this particular aircraft carrier of India. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.